Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you the most interesting thing, how to download Panorama. Okay, so let's say this Panorama I get it from my friend. Okay, something like this. Okay, she did the exterior already. It's another project. Then I'm going to download this one. Just click download. Okay. So after it download, right, then I can merge with my project. So let's say I go out. Okay, this one is my project. Okay, so we go to this one. Tools, Panorama Editor, Open Editor. Okay, so you can see I got living room and master room. Like if I want to add this one, the scene for my friend, I want to add in here, right? I need to click add scene. Okay, I need to create one panorama in another room and replace it. Okay, so how to do? Okay, so I'll come to here. Okay, I go to the bathroom lah. This one, the bathroom here. As you can see, bathroom. Okay, room. Okay, so I create one panorama here. Okay, this one I not design, but I'm gonna use it to replace. So come to panorama. Okay, then I click submit. Okay. So a few moments later, the panorama had created. Okay, so now we go to the panorama editor lah. Okay, so in panorama editor you need to click add scene first. So we add the bathroom first. Okay, let's say this one, the bathroom. Okay, click confirm. So you now see that add the bathroom already, but this one I'm gonna replace with my friend panorama. Okay, which is iMe lah. Okay, so I click here. This one I change iMe exterior. Me exterior. Okay, so I click OK. This one still a bathroom, right? Never mind. I'm gonna replace it. Okay. So first thing, I need to upload the panorama first. This one, I click here, upload lah. Just now you know how to download, right? Now I teach you how to upload. Okay, so just select the thing. Okay, let's say download this one already. iMe exterior. Okay. Okay, a few moments later. So you see, okay, download already. Then I'm gonna use it lah. Click on this button, then exit. So this one will become iMe exterior. Then I do some setting, create a door type. Okay, go to living room. Maybe go to living room. Confirm. Okay. Then I double click. From here we'll go to living room. Okay. So I create one more door type to iMe exterior. Confirm. Then we'll go to iMe panorama exterior. So you can see we can join two projects together. Okay, so thanks for watching. Remember, save. Okay, bye.